Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips. Here at Rome Tech, we're constantly exploring ways to stay connected while traveling, and today we're diving into KeepCalling's eSIM service. You can find links to the products mentioned in the description below. In this review, I'll walk you through my personal experience using KeepCalling's eSIM, covering its key features, strengths, weaknesses, and ultimately, who it's best suited for. KeepCalling has built a reputation on international calling and has now expanded into the eSIM market. Their goal is to provide seamless global connectivity at competitive prices, positioning it as a viable alternative for travelers, expats, or anyone needing a dependable connection overseas without incurring exorbitant roaming charges. Setting up the KeepCalling eSIM is remarkably simple. After purchasing the eSIM, you receive a QR code via email. Scanning this code activates the service directly on your compatible device. No more hunting down physical SIM cards or visiting a store. The entire activation process is quick and, in my experience, the instructions are clear and easy to follow. KeepCalling also offers a user-friendly app that allows you to monitor your data usage, manage your account, and top up your balance as needed, making the entire experience smooth and hassle-free. In terms of coverage, KeepCalling's eSIM performed decently across the various countries I tested it in. They partner with local carriers to ensure reliable connections, which is a definite plus. During my testing, the service remained stable, offering good speeds for everyday tasks like web browsing, checking emails, and even making video calls. While the speed might not always match that of a local SIM card, the convenience of not having to swap SIMs every time you cross a border is a significant advantage, particularly for frequent travelers or those wanting a single solution for multiple destinations. One of KeepCalling's most compelling features is its affordability. They offer a range of data packages designed to accommodate various needs, whether you're a short-term traveler, a long-term user, or simply need a backup connection for international roaming. KeepCalling shines when it comes to providing cost-effective solutions for light to moderate data usage. Furthermore, their customer service is commendable, providing responsive and helpful support through various channels should you encounter any issues. To sum up, KeepCalling's eSIM is a solid option for budget-minded travelers seeking reliable international coverage without the hassle of juggling multiple physical SIM cards. If you're looking for a simple and cost-effective way to stay connected while traveling internationally, KeepCalling is definitely worth considering. For more information, be sure to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.